Live camera on. Okay, so everybody, good evening. So this is called multitasking cooking. You cook three things at the same time. So first and foremost, all you gotta do is get everything ready, like your spices, onions, garlic, whatever, pepper, and ginger, and then all your meats are already cut. Move a little bit because it's hot. Lower your fire so you don't get it burned, whatever, and go from there. So this is how you cook three meals at the same time, or three things at the same time, and not getting the rest of having it burned. So this is what you just have to make sure that everything is already sliced, the meat and the spices and all of it. So, and then you can let the other food in there simmer, and that is chicken adobo, which is so while that one is simmering, I am doing this, and then this one's almost cooking because I already lowered the fire. So just do this. After that, you put your chicken, let it simmer, put some pepper, and then the good thing about this is you can just let it simmer and you can go. Oh, multitasking, you can also cook at the same time watch TV. So that's how versatile it is. You can cook and at the same time watch TV after this is all simmering. The rice is already beginning to cook, so it is lower. The fire is lowered. This one, you need to simmer this, so you can leave it and then just check it in probably 15 minutes. Put the pepper on, get this ready. And I always put a little bit of parsley, dried parsley, to make it more very good in taste. Okay, so let it simmer here. Oh, you know what? Before you go to watch TV, you have to do this. Make the meat even on this pan so that it's evenly cooked or evenly simmered. Alright. And then at the same time, while you are watching TV, you can also wash your dishes. So that's 5 jobs in one instance. Okay, so we'll come back and then I'll show you when it's almost cooked.